Welcome back to Learn Easy English Daily. Today, Max is at the burger shop. He is hungry. Let us listen and learn together.
Hello? Welcome to Burger Shop. What would you like today?
Hello, I would like a cheeseburger, please.
When we order food, we can say, I would like. It is polite and friendly. I would like a cheeseburger. I would like a cola. We can also make it short and say, I'd like. I'd like a cheeseburger. Both are correct. Now let us go back to Max.
Sure. Would you like some fries with that?
Yes, please. Can I have the French fries?
We use can I have to ask for something. It is a simple and polite question. Can I have the French fries? Can I have a cola? Remember to say, please. It sounds kind. Can I have a cola, please? Let us keep listening.
Of course. Anything to drink?
How much is the cola?
The cola is $1.99.
And how much are the onion rings?
The onion rings are $2.99.
We ask about the price with how much, but listen carefully. For one thing, we say how much is. How much is the cola? For many things, we say how much are. How much are the onion rings? Use is for one and are for more than one. This is a small change, but it is important. Good. Back to the shop.
Okay, I'll take a cola, please.
Great. Would you like a sweet treat? We have ice cream and donuts.
Would you like is a polite way to offer something. Would you like a drink? Would you like a sweet treat? When someone offers you something, you can answer yes, please, or no, thank you. Let us hear what Max says.
No, thank you. That is all.
Okay, one cheeseburger, French fries, and a cola. That is $9.97.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now it is quiz time. Look at the menu. How do we ask the price of the chicken nuggets? Do we say, how much is the chicken nuggets, or how much are the chicken nuggets? Think about it. The answer is, how much are the chicken nuggets? Nuggets are many, so we use are. Well done. What do you want to learn next? Maybe shopping at the market, the airport, or the doctor? Write it in the comments below. We read every comment, and your idea can be the next lesson. Thank you for watching Learn Easy English Daily. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and tap the bell. See you next time.